Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. We have another limited release by the Boston Scally Company. This is just in time for St. Patrick's Day. I do got two more coming. One that is one of my favorite caps. They made a new version of it for St. Patrick's Day. I did got that coming. Give you a little hint. People drive across the country in these things delivering goods. But that is the cap that's coming soon. But anyway, today's is this one here from Boston Scally. Let's go and get it right open here. Hopefully they mailed me some goodies too with it, because I've been seeing a few things of people getting some goodies. Let's hopefully I'm one of those lucky ones. All right, so far I do see a dust bag for Boston Scally. And then we got the cap itself. Oh, I got something. I got a surprise. Let's see what that is real quick. Let me go ahead and get these things here. Let's see what kind of goodie we got today. Very small box. What do we got? What do we have? What do we have? I got a flask. Is that a keychain? A flask keychain from Boston Scally. I don't drink, but good keepsake item, I guess. Going to put that on my desk. All right. And we have got some pins with it. And this is the Shillelagh. Pretty cool looking cap. I'm a big fan of the one panels. This is a single panel cap. And I do like the ones they've been coming out with, of course. But there's the Shillelagh pin. And here's the Shillelagh other pin. I'm going to put this one on there. I'm not going to put the stick, I don't think. Maybe I'll put both. But for those who know what a Shillelagh is, it is a fighting stick for the Irish. And who remembers this scene from a great movie?
I'll give you 10 per notch. 10. You have my word. 10 per notch. Per new notch. Then I'm your man.
Yeah, that scene was something else. And he went on to kick some major butts. Crack some skulls with that Shillelagh. Great part of the movie. Probably one of the greatest movies I've seen of all time. Gangs of New York. And so let's go ahead and get to the cap now. There it is, the Shillelagh. I did get a medium large. Of course, you got the cardboard on the inside. Inside, the Shillelagh logo. Medium large, Boston Scally. I like these colors a lot. These are like old-time grandpa colors, and I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the pin on there real quick. So I'm just going to put the Shillelagh pin. I'm not going to actually put the actual Shillelagh on there. All right, let's go ahead and try it on. There it is. The Shillelagh with the pin. Let's go ahead and move my camera up a little bit. A couple knocks. Great. This is awesome. This one is awesome. Yeah, a little string on my chest here. Yeah, fits great. Really nice looking cap. Wow. This might be my favorite single panel patchwork by Boston Scally. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. We'll show you a close-up real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Shillelagh. How about those? I mean, those colors just totally throw you back to the late 60s, early 70s. Just imagine somebody having a cigar in their mouth. Yeah, and I did put went ahead and put the Shillelagh pin on there as well. Of course, you got the inside, Shillelagh logo, medium large. And this is the vinyl, so we'll stick to my bald head if I wear it when it gets warm out. Yeah, but that's it there. Of course, him with the Shillelagh in his hand, ready to crack some skulls. Great looking cap. Let me know what you guys think about this. Man, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Love it. All right, I'll go right back for the review now. All right, we are back on the regular review here now. I did leave that pin on there, so I got both pins on the cap, the walking stick and the Shillelagh logo. Great. This, like I said, this is a good looking single panel cap. This is, like I said, my favorite, for sure, my favorite patchwork cap that has Boston Scally has came out with. Man, it just looks amazing. Let me go and scoot back some more. But yeah, and yep. Finally in almost large, extra large shirts now too. So I just got this one. This is an extra large. Not too bad. Got down over 185 pounds so far. Again, this is the Shillelagh. Great looking cap. Highly recommend. If it's still available, I highly advise you to scoop it up. Both those pins. Boston Scally. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.